Should I buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor? The report for Taiwan Semiconductor was first published on our website Friday, November 18, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 17, 2022, our system ranks Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.224. In this period the stock has had a gain of 1.48%. This is an average return of 0.74% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Taiwan Semiconductor, our last headline reads, Green Day on Friday for Taiwan Semiconductor stock after gaining 1.48%. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price gained 1.48% on the last trading day, Friday, November 18, 2022, rising from $81.28 to $82.49. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 2.25% from a day low at $81 to a day high of $82.82. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 32.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 21 million shares and in total, 66,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.46 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $145, and the lowest price was $59.43. Right now the price is 43.11%, or $62.51, below 52-week high at $145, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 19.25% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 44.30% and minus 19.25%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 42.48% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 59.92% and minus 39.71%. This equals a price between $33.06 and $49.73 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, July 14, 2022, Susquehanna set price target to 88. On Thursday, January 13, 2022, Atlantic Equities set price target to 170. On Monday, October 11, 2021, Cowen and Company set price target to 120. On Tuesday, July 13, 2021, Needham set price target to 0. On Wednesday, June 30, 2021, Susquehanna set price target to 105. From analysts, Taiwan Semiconductor stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Taiwan Semiconductor. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $77.44 and $67.24. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 3, 2022, and so far it has risen 36.84%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 187 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $81.03, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.82 between high and low, or 2.25%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.08%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Taiwan Semiconductor currently has a price-earning ratio of 14.90. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Taiwan Semiconductor meets first resistance at $82.85. If you do not hold Taiwan Semiconductor shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Taiwan Semiconductor finds first level of support at $81.03, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Taiwan Semiconductor is strong buy. Our recommended stop loss is $80.21, minus 2.76%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 87 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 11 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 21st, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open down $0.384 and start trading at $82.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to